Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with LightStream step by step clearly. Start by determining your total monthly income. This includes all sources such as salary, investments, and side hustles. Next, list all your monthly expenses. Split these into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are expenses that stay the same each month, like rent and loans. Variable costs can change, like groceries and entertainment. Once you've compiled your expenses, subtract them from your income. This will give you your net income. Now, identify areas where you can cut back. Review your variable expenses and see if there are non-essentials you can reduce. Consider using LightStream to consolidate high-interest debt. This can lower your monthly payments and simplify your finances. After reviewing your expenses, set realistic budgeting goals. Determine how much you want to save each month. It's helpful to use an app or spreadsheet to track your budget. Be sure to include sinking funds for irregular expenses, like car repairs or vacations. Monitor your budget regularly to see how well you're sticking to your plan. Adjust your budget as necessary to accommodate changes in income or expenses. Celebrate small wins when you meet your savings goals. This keeps you motivated to stay on track. Finally, review your financial progress over time. Make adjustments as your financial situation evolves. Using LightStream can help you achieve your long-term financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.